can never repay you for all you are and all you've done for me. I couldn't thank you enough. My worship could never measure how I feel. So I'll be an offering at the potter's wheel. I gave you my life.
Oh, yes. Lord, I thank you. Oh, it is early. I got to get up from here. God. Wash my face. Brush my teeth. Take my shower. Get my grandson up so he can shower. All that good stuff. Start our day out. But yes, I got my sister showed me this consignment shop. And actually, I'm trying to downsize mine. Dining room table. I want a round one instead of a square one. But before I get started, guys, thank you for allowing me to come to you this morning. It is early morning. But thank you guys so very much. Oh. Welcome back to the channel, guys. You can see that I am in the bed. I am in my middle bedroom. I got my son. Oh, I got my son in the primary. My grandson in the primary bedroom. He loved that room. Oh God. And I got things out of there that I'm getting ready to take you guys with me. Today I am going to go and look at, oh, excuse me. I'm going to go and look at some paint because I'm trying to find a paint for that particular wall. Yes. So I will be taking you guys with me. And then on top of that, my grandbaby, I know he's gonna want breakfast. So yeah, I am going to get started on my day. So I need to get up from here and also make this bed. Yeah. So I need to get up from here, but I would just want to put on my glasses because you guys know I get up, see, close up in the morning. Or close up, period. But I need to get up from here. So I am going to get up from here and start my day. Yeah. Oh.
here for a lifetime underneath the moonlight. Cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine. In a world so full of pain, can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I'm sorry for the burden, sorry I was hurting, but my scars are almost healed. Yeah, my scars are almost healed. Yeah, I'm feeling like a child now. Everything's alright now, and it's all because of you. You made the flower in me bloom. Used to be afraid of everything, but now there's no more fear. Yeah, I used to let nobody in and hide my face with tears. Always thought of you as someone who can love someone like me, but I was wrong, baby. Now I believe. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me.
Okay, guys, we are here. I'm getting ready to show you now. It's a consignment shop that this man got. Let me give you a sneak preview of the outside. Come on, sweetie. Good morning. Well, hello. Wow.
He told me to take you inside.
Okay.
That's the one you was looking at.
Uh-huh.
A little bit warm. Yeah, it's a little bit warm.
You got a leaf, you got everything else.
Yeah, it's a little bit warm. The other inside, watch it.
Okay. You know, you can still do a lot of that there.
Hey, Kobe. How you doing,
Oh, that's a-
little boy?
What faith thing there?
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Where we going?
Okay.
Okay, you got this one,
Okay.
and then you got the other one down here. Which you can get at. Yes, you do.
Okay, guys. Now that you see, I have come back to the home and I have my table. Yes, I have my table, guys. Yes, it has a little work that I want to get done to it, and I will be DIYing this table. But it is my table because I am downsizing my dining room table and I wanted a brown one. So guys, you have to stay tuned to see how this is going to turn out. Guys, me and my grandson had so much fun. I love these moments. Oh, he is so hilarious. But guys, yes, I have my table. So I want you to continue watching this video. And when I tell you, when my sister, she rides. But when she told me about this consignment shop, I had to go see what this was about. And I have no regrets. So guys, continue watching. You got to hit that subscribe button so you know when I'm uploading new videos, especially about my new dining room and what I will be doing to this table, guys. Yes, so stay tuned because it will be another part. So guys, with that being said, remember, be good or be good at it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Bye-bye.